Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to show or hide exist title of chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to show or hide exist title in this document. Firstly, insert a column chart, then go to the insert menu and click charts option, then choose a chart and click OK. Now we can see here we insert a chart. Now we want to show or hide exist title in this chart. Click the chart, then click chart elements. Then we can see here the exist title checkmark box. We on the check marks and show that exist title, and of this exist title check mark, then hide. Now we can see here we show or hide exist title very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.